We're making easy overnight oats with the flavor and spices of gingerbread cookies. They're made high in protein with Greek yogurt and your favorite vanilla protein powder for an easy breakfast or snack. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make these really easy overnight oats, all you need is an airtight container. I really like using these pint-sized mason jars. And then we're going to start by pouring half a cup of some milk into our jar. And you can use any milk you like. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. And then to add some protein as well as some delicious tang, we're going to add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and you'll want to use plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. And then for some more protein, we'll add 2 tablespoons of your favorite protein powder. And I really like using this organic protein powder that's made from nuts and seeds and is naturally sweetened. And I included a link in the description if you'd like to check it out. And then for a little natural sweetness, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You could certainly omit this or use a little bit less or a little bit more if you like. And to give it that gingerbread flavor, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of some molasses and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then for our seasonings, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and a little dash of nutmeg. And then we'll add a dash of salt. But you could certainly increase or decrease the seasoning based on your preference. And then we'll just give this a good stir. Now, if you could use healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. Now that this is all mixed together, we're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of our oats. And I really like using the larger old-fashioned oats because they're nice and chunky. But you could also use quick oats. And then we'll just give those a good stir. And then we just screw on our lid. And then this goes into our fridge overnight, or at least for about 3 to 4 hours, or until those oats have a chance to soak up all the liquid. So I have a batch here that I made last night and then stored in my fridge. You can see how all the ingredients have come together. And my perfect bite has a little bit of oats, and with maybe a little plop of some whipped cream on top, and maybe just a light dusting of a little more cinnamon. Now it's ready. That is delicious. That totally tastes like a gingerbread cookie that's been dipped in milk, but then with added oat flavor to it. That is seriously so good. And I love that it's high in protein and made with clean, natural ingredients. Well, thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. I included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.